Room tour. Philippine Inca. Not you use this. Then you open. And then you put the card here. And then, diba, wala!
Yay!
Seda Nuvali. Tingnan mo yun, ang ganda.
Come on. You wanna go to the pool? There, oh.
Ito yung
Breakfast.
breakfast for 2. Tapos 6 years old below, below 6 years old free. Free siya.
Free yung batang yan? Naku, yung batang yan. Yung batang yan. Di ka na.
So mag-iwanan po yan. Tapos, ito yung kids room, may playroom saka kids club eh. Complimentary.
Mamaya.
Pero marami kayo pwede gawin.
O, mag-iikot na muna kami. Sige, bye-bye. Conference pa.
Philippine Eagle adapter.
Go with your tatay, Luke.
Playroom, game room. Ito pala yung playroom, game room. Ang pasok ko lang. Sa rooms. Elevator. Game room. Swimming pool. Ganda ang swimming pool nila. So ito mas malaki yung playroom. Ito. Mamaya may hagbo ka dyan.
Let's go to the elevator.
What elevator?
Let's go.
Where do you want?
Let's go, let's go.
Six!
Yes. Go inside.
How about this one?
Ito na. So room tour. Room tour. Philippine Inca. Not you use this. Then you open. And then you put the card here. And then, diba, wala! Saan nga ba nagseda nun?
Vertis North.
Oh, next. We said the Vertis North. So here are 2 beds. And also a lock, oh. Pwede pala nga sila dito. Hindi ko lang alam, ah.
Oh no! I look the window.
May hulgari dito. Wow! Look at the swimming pool! Oh, ang maganda po view namin, mga gala. Ayan, oh. So yung swimming pool. Tapos pati yung lake. Dito sa Seda Nuvali.
The water. You sit down.
Landmark. Punta na tayo dun, Luke. Let's go to the mall.
No.
Then, ito po ang aming bed. Siyempre, ang ating favorite, coffee and tea, bottle, water, complimentary water. Minibar na wala namang laman para hindi namin mag-consume. Hair dryer. Tapos, chinelas, laundry bag, emergency flashlight, bathrobe, CR, tingnan natin CR, dental kit, soap, vanity kit, yan, alam niyo na. Yung shower, ito yung toilet. Oh, wala na.
He looked over there.
You see
May
it?
boat na tumaan dito. You know, there.
Let's go into the lake.
Nasa lake na sila. A river pa lang kasi manipis pa.
Water!
Oh, there's a
There, our
boat
goes
in the
there.
lake. Whoa.
Come on.
Ayun na po yung mga mag-breakfast. Daming bread ah. Isa sir, isa.
Ano masasabi mo sa pagkain?
Ito yung gusto ko, yung kasal natin. Yung baby potatoes.
Kasing sarap ba?
Kulang sa alat. Ito maalat eh. Yung iba kasi sa Ken Rogers, ano to eh, matamis.
Hindi, yung isa yung
Ano matamis?
sour cream, onion, and chives.
Yun, okay yun. Ito ang
Same lang sa ibang bansa.
kasi. Hindi sa ibang bansa, sa Europe, matabang yung ano. Mga food. Dito po kami sa game room. Meron silang Jenga. Jenga and chess. Harry Potter. Game room. Wanna play here? Look. You don't remove your shoes here. Whoa. Look, let's play here. May PlayStation 5 din sila. PS5. Ano to? Wii. Xbox. Comment down below. Okay, let's go now to playground. Go inside. Whoa!
I love the light green.
There's ano. It's Lightning McQueen.
I love light.
Slide, oh, and basketball. Playground. Oh, slide, just slide. Slide, go. 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 Look, remove your shoes, slippers. Ito po yung swimming pool dito sa Seda Nuvali. Kaya po nag-tutorial sila ng swimming.
Then I go up.
Go up?
You go there, not here.